Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do a quick raw files comparisons of the recent shoot of the RF85mm f1.2 versus the 85mm f1.4 GM from the Sony. So Canon versus Sony. So as you can see that I put on the reference R and A. So the right hand side is the CR3, the left hand side is the so as I'm clicking, this one is the Sony file. I just did a reference in here, so I just pulled the reference in here. And so let's zoom in a little bit. I can just zoom in a little bit more so that it's 1:1, and this one is 1:1 from here. I didn't change any exposure and stuff. You can see the file. I can increase the exposure a little bit just for reference, you know. And let me increase the exposure a little bit so you just, and then the shadow just too easy to see. So that was a default, and then let me go back here. Yeah, so this is shooting at 1.2. So this shot was at 1.2 ISO 100 from the Canon EOS SR, and this one is the Sony 85mm G Master f1.4. So and at first glance, this feels a little bit sharper, even though it's shot at wide open 1.2. And let me zoom out a little bit more. Let me zoom out just to see the different framing. If I'm doing the frame, crop to exit the reference view. Yeah, let me crop to a similar frame just for comparison purpose, you know. So let me crop similar frame in this one, and then let me crop, just make sure that it is similar. So the first impression is very sharp on the RF. Okay, so reference. So this one I can crop it even a bit closer. Okay, one more reference. So you can see one more time. I didn't do any contrast addition in here as well. So this is the raw file. So it depends what do you like. Do you like the Canon skin tone by default and then start from here, or start from here? Because both of them are raw file and you can achieve the same results. From if you want a different color profile, you can achieve by using the different adjustment in the Lightroom. So this is the first one I want to check, just to want to see the close-up, which one is better. So the next one, let me pull this one down to the, so this is the Sony, and then I'm gonna check the right hand side is the Canon. This is the Sony. Yep, so Sony in here, Sony seems, even though it's IF, yeah, it's focusing on the eyes. So let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, sorry, I'm new to the Lightroom. It's like I'm trying to zoom in 1:1. Okay, I'm just doing it on 1:1. yeah, I just trying different shortcut and then it doesn't work. So leave the comment if you know any like shortcut is better for comment. I mean the comparison. Just let me know because I'm pretty new to those shortcut to compare. But for now, I'm just do it one-to-one in here, so it feels good. Both of them are sharp. Definitely. Let me go. Sorry, that was a different that was a different file. It's funny. Sorry about that. So this is the Canon file. Canon seems have the black darker in the image. Let me go to the next one. So let me select the next one and then put this one to here. So this is the Canon without any adjustment. This is the Sony. So you can see the difference. In general, the Canon seems have the darker blacks than the Sony right out of the gate. So it depends on what you like the style. And so these two are the comparison. They have a little bit slightly different framing. We can crop and make them the same. And let's do a quick just go through some other ones. So I'm reference here. So this is the Sony, Canon here, and then the Sony here. So in this one the Canon looks warmer, and then the Sony. So this one was at 1.2 also. So this side is 1.2 and then this side is 1.4. So from there, I think the bokeh, next time I will have more bokeh in the back so that it has a little bit difference. So you can see if you want to pick the bokeh, this is the difference of the bokeh. It seems it's smoothed out a lot already, and for the 1.4 it still have a little bit. So for those of you who are curious of the zoom in, so this is a zoom in. It's very sharp already at 1.2 in the backlight situation. And the last set, let me see. So this is Canon, and then this is Sony. Let me zoom in. Yep, so both of them are sharp on the eyes, and you can see that it's super sharp at 1.2 for the Canon lens. So definitely I'm gonna shoot more on this lens and maybe have more comparison with the Fujifilm 50mm f1.2 as well. But both of them can achieve nice like backlight style. Just for bokeh purpose, let me see. Yeah, this is the difference between the blur of the bokeh, just in case you are curious on how blur this is from the back comparison. So these two are the background comparison, and for the head comparison, it's still pretty sharp at this high performance lens G Master, but I'm very impressed by the f1.2 85 Canon lens right now. So it's pretty good, even though it's very expensive. I think it's 2799 or 2699, but it produces really nice results, and depends on your budget. So that's it. It's just a quick run through of the raw file that I shot last weekend. So, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.